wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we.
Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy. In today's video, I'll be cleaning and organizing under this bathroom sink. Let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. To our returning subscribers, I just want to say a special thank you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. This is what the area looks like right now, but in just a few minutes I'll be taking everything out, giving the area a good wipe down, changing the lining as well, and repacking everything back in the space. These are the new baskets that I'll be using. I've wiped out the area already, and here are the new baskets in place. This bathroom is mainly used by our guests, so the only items I'm going to be placing under the counter here are toilet paper, paper towels, and washcloths. These are just decorative paper towels that are kept here in the bathroom based on the season. So in less than 30 minutes, I've cleaned and reorganized everything under this sink. So now the only thing on top of the counter now is just the hand soap and these paper towels. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to clean and organize the space in your home. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. If you like organizational videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for weekly organizational videos.